How to create an account on WorldRemit. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can create an account on WorldRemit, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to create an account on WorldRemit, all you have to do is, first of all, you can choose to open the WorldRemit application, or you can simply open up your browser and instead go to worldremit.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you go to worldremit.com, you're going to see this type of interface where you can just select your currency and you can select your receive method and then tap on the continue button here. Once you tap on continue, if you look at the very top right hand side, you'll find a little sign up button. You want to make sure to tap the sign up option there. And as you do that, over here, where will you send from? Of course, you want to make sure to simply select your country over here. Once you select your country here, make sure to simply choose and enter an email address that you maybe want to use. Once you make sure to enter an email address you want to use, you can also choose to enter a password. So let me go ahead and do that as well. Once you've entered your password, you can just select, if you do not wish to receive marketing information, you can check this box and then just make sure to tap the continue option. After you've done that, if your account is not created with this email, it will be created using this email successfully. That's all it takes to sign up or create an account on WorldRemit. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.